Welcome to clickmyproject.com. Our project title is Efficient and Privacy Our Data Aggregation in Mobile Sensing. Our project abstract: aggregator and mobile users in every aggregation period are have a high computation overhead and cannot support large plain text spaces. They do not consider the min aggregator, which is quite useful in mobile sensing. To address this problem, we propose an efficient protocol to obtain the Sun aggregator, which employs an additive homomorphic encryption and novel key management technique to support large plain text space. We also extend the sum aggregation protocol to obtain the min aggregator to time series data to tool with the dynamic join and leaves of mobile users. We propose a scheme that reduces the redundancy in security to reduce the communication cost for each join and leave. Evaluations show that our protocol are orders of magnitude faster than existing solution, and has much lower communication overhead. Our project flow diagram. In this project, we are developing the secure data transmission between the requester and task worker using a cloud storage service. And requester send a request to the request, and what are request to the reader. Suppose the user want to request to some files, some information from the some other world, means they send a request to data storage. Data storage means nothing that some storage devices. And task worker is what are the requests received from data storage, and task worker work the task and send the result to the data storage. Data storage store all the data and send to the requester. We have the one cryptography process for the encryption decryption based on the data storage and requester. The data storage receive all the files from task worker and encrypt data are based on the some other cryptographic key and store data, and requester send the verification and send a key to the data storage and verify the user, and data storage send a file to the requester. Let's see the demo of our project and the home file. This is data aggregation based on the efficient and privacy of mobile sensing nodes. Okay, start your process. Project will be started. Okay, existing user, new user. This user registration is based on the data register. Okay, the new user. Okay, we're going to enter the username, enter the password, enter the company name, what is the address of the company. Okay, I'm going to choose register here. Okay, register successfully. And next we are going to the login page. Okay, user login. I enter the username and password to the user login. Data will be already stored into the server. Okay, login success. This is data aggregation. Okay, now we are going to get travel data. Okay, again send to the data aggregator. Okay, okay, this is TBA, and next I want to run the cloud.java. This is our data aggregator. Okay, receive the request. Okay, data will be received here. Okay, the file will be request will be sent here. Okay, and sent to the user. These are the user for running the collect data from the data workers. The data workers will be receive the work from the here. Okay, next going to the worker data and choose a file, and file sent to the user. This is a collecting data set and send to the data aggregator. Okay, here I am going to secret key. This receive the request. Okay, file send. File will be here, and encrypt the file received here, and encrypt the file. File will be encrypted based on the secret key, and next send to the aggregator. Okay, this is our aggregator. This is our data aggregator. Okay, receive the file. The file will cloud assigned, and the file will be received here. Okay, next going to send a key to the requester. Okay, going to response at Java and the file. Okay, receive the key will be received here. send to key aggregator 18630. Okay, this is our aggregator. Okay, here going to receive the key will be received and decrypt the file, and the file will be decrypted and sent to the register. Okay, here download the file will be received here. And next, this is a data aggregation process. Okay, we will select the data, and next I'm going to choose any other places for the traveling. Okay, view data. This is our traveling process. Okay, these are the what are the by travel for the three-way to the travel to marry to some other places, and store data. This are used to store data. And next, this is a time dependent and selected way. This is selected way and find the minimum way. This is a minimum way for the file data and travel to the some other places to here. Our project demo is completed. Thank you for listening.